two buildings in Louisville, one in Iroquois Park, an Islamic center, the other in Shively, a healthcare center, both allegedly bought with fraudulent funds. According to court documents from the District of Minnesota, BBI LLC, a Louisville-based company, bought property at 3847 Cane Run Road for more than $200,000 in May of 2021. Court documents show BBI's bank account funded entirely or virtually entirely by two companies involved in a money laundering conspiracy. That's Minnesota-based Empire Cuisine and Market and Bustra Wholesalers. BBI also funded the purchase of the Iroquois Park property at 6200 South 3rd Street later that same year, October of 2021. Court documents show BBI paid $60,000 in total. The company's bank account, again, said to be funded entirely or virtually entirely by the two companies involved in fraud. Thus, the money used in both purchases traced back to fraudulent activity. But how did we get here? The story begins around the start of the pandemic. According to court documents, Minnesota-based Feeding Our Future, a nonprofit that helps community partners participate in the federal child nutrition program, allegedly ran a scheme with several fake organizations that claimed to feed thousands of children each day. Those organizations received tens of millions of dollars for their services, with almost none spent on children, instead buying real estate, cars, and other luxury items. Minnesota Department of Education officials say the pandemic interfered with its ability to oversee the program, leaving it vulnerable, according to court documents. Empire Cuisine and Market and Bustra Wholesalers are allegedly a part of the scheme with Feeding Our Future, and BBI, the Louisville-based company, received funds from them. Now, the future of the buildings bought using that money is uncertain. The DOJ last month announcing it is going after all parties involved, calling the alleged scheme the largest pandemic relief fraud scheme charged to date. A source close to the case shared an email from the lawyer representing the president of the Islamic Center. The letter is from October 18th and says they have reached an agreement to hold the case in abeyance until the underlying criminal action has been resolved. The criminal action is against people in Minnesota, not Louisville. The letter continues, saying they've spoken to the federal prosecutor in the case and explained that the Islamic Center is paying money into an escrow account instead of to BBI. So, if the DOJ comes after the center, they will use that money and not seize the property itself. The tenants at the healthcare center in Shively said they have no comments. In the letter, the lawyer for the Islamic Center says they had no knowledge of the source of the funds. BBI has not provided comment. In Louisville, Bobby McSwine, WHAS 11 on your side.